Your heating and cooling system is not performing to your expectations, which means you've got a big question you need to answer. Do I repair it or replace it? Deciding whether you should repair or replace your central heating and cooling system can be a major dilemma. To make a comfortable decision, you need to consider both sides and evaluate the differences between repairing your current system and replacing it with a new energy-efficient system.
The system you have now seems to keep you comfortable enough, right?
Yeah, but the indoor comfort is inconsistent and inefficient, and it could be costing you extra money.
It has a 10-SEER energy efficiency rating.
Those aren't available anymore.
But you can get parts. Expensive perhaps, but parts should be available.
The Goodman brand has units with energy efficiency ratings of up to 18 SEER.
But your current unit has been running okay for years, right? Bet it has another 10 years.
It could be very expensive to repair.
But replacing, now that has to be expensive.
You may spend a little more today, but the money you save in energy use can make a big difference year after year.
Making the right choice is a lot easier if you contact your local independent HVAC dealer. He can help you come up with the best option to keep your family comfortable. So, with his advice, you'll know whether it's most economical to
repair
or replace.
Thank goodness for Goodman.
You guys are good. Really good.